Today we had news at 8:30, kind of had a late start, but it was the durable goods orders month over month. Let's look at the chart. Going to the 1 hour chart. This is old, so we won't be needing this. It looks like price balanced. Price had bounced off of this imbalance, is going up. Looking at the 4 hour chart, it kind of looks like it rebalanced this candle here, but it could be headed down lower just by looking at the price action here, or it could make higher high. Yeah, right now I think we're headed lower. I think we're going to take out these lows right here. So if you look at this indicator right here, previous day's highs was taken already. So in my opinion, if previous day's highs were taken already, we're going to be headed down to previous day's lows. All right. Because that is a major pool of liquidity. On the 1 hour chart, ES is rebalancing this 1 hour fair value gap. And if you look at this, the 1 hour candle is showing that this order block is being held, right? On the 15-minute chart, Asia actually moved quite a bit, 40 points. London low has not been taken out yet. London high was taken out before New York open. We're kind of in an area where price is deciding what to do. So if price comes down and takes out all of this liquidity here and heads down to previous day's lows, then I'm going to be looking to take it up. But right now, I don't see any bullish trades. So this right here was a short entry at 8 a.m. Actually, at 8:15 a.m. this was a confirmation for a short entry. It took pools of liquidity. There's the order block, the 4 hour order block that we marked out, and that was a perfect trade down. Okay, but right now there's a 15-minute fair value gap right here. So I'm actually expecting price to head down. If this inverses, then we're going to go up. We're going to be a little patient today. Alright, so we're going to be looking for shorts right now because it looks like this 15-minute fair value gap is holding. There's also a 1-minute fair value gap there. We could be headed down lower to take out these pools of liquidity here, possibly previous day's lows. Okay, so that's going to be the plan. Anything can change, but I'm expecting short trades today. Alright, I know I said that we were looking for shorts today. I think later on there's going to be an entry for shorts, but for MNQ at the moment, I'm going to be targeting these highs. There's a 10 o'clock silver bullet trade that I had just missed right here. Let's do that right there. So this is going to be a silver bullet entry. Oh, whoa. I stepped away from my computer, came back, and I got tagged in. Alright, let's see what price does here. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, let me know what your trades were today, let me know if y'all took this trade as well. I actually completely missed this volume imbalance right here. I could have taken that entry here, actually, for a better RR. But it's okay. It's alright. I am okay with that. But yeah, let me know what trade y'all took in the comments below. This could be a winning trade. This could be a losing trade. I do not know. What I do know is that we are on the right side of the trade right now, just because I'm green. But we'll see. So far, it's reacting off of this order block. You see how it wicked into the mean threshold of that? So what I've got to do now is see what price is going to do. I've got to manage this position because if it wants to head down lower, then we've got to manage this position. Alright, so this order block right here, this 15-minute order block, price hit it, coming back down. This 15-minute fair value gap is causing price to get hung up there. So we could be on the wrong side of the trade right now. And if we are, then we are. Closing it out. I don't like price action. Okay, if price breaks this low, I'm going to move my stop down. I'm going to bring my stop down to here. The reason why I'm bringing my stop down to here was because this wasn't a planned short, and I'm trying to mitigate my risk as much as possible right now. All right, that's the only reason why. Okay, now I'm going to be looking for a short. Yeah, this trade I was trying to take a momentum down. I forced it. I rushed it. You wanna base your entry based off facts and what you see, not what you think will happen, right? So, yeah, that was my mistake. Again, if this hits my take profit, then this is all luck. This trade should have never happened actually. So. All right, stopped out of that one, which is absolutely fine. I'm gonna be waiting for another trade, y'all. This isn't a good one. I basically took it at the 50 fib level. My target is going to be the same as previous session NYC PM low. So let's see how this trade pans out. Bearish order block right here. What are you doing? Okay. Is it doing what it's expecting it to do? What I'm expecting it to do? Because price definitely wicked right to the 50% level of this wick right here. This bearish order block on the 1 minute. Aligned with the bearish fair value gap on the 1 minute. Okay, so price could actually be going the way that I'm expecting it to go. Maybe this was a manipulation up. And this is what I'm talking about right here. That order block right there, over to the left, it wicked almost to the tick. Actually, it is to the tick, the mean threshold of that. That's insane. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I took the fib from here to here. From this order block, it wicked into that mean threshold. Alright, we're in lunchtime now. This is most likely going to stop me out. Yep, one contract out. And then the other one. There we go. Alright, y'all. Shortly after I got stopped out, I entered another short. I thought I was still recording, but I wasn't. So, here it is. I entered 5 contracts because my risk allowed it. I'm taking it down to NYC AM low. I know it's in the lunch session, but I had to take it right now. So if my take profit hits, then this is I'm gonna be done for the day. So at 40 ticks, 5 contracts is $100 risk. All right, so that's just an FYI. My buy stop, I moved up to here. I don't see price heading back up there. If it does, then I'm pretty much screwed. But whatever. I'm gonna see what price does here. If it stops me out, then I'm gonna be locking in 2.2R. All right, locked in 2.2R. So my first take profit is at 2R. My second one is going to be at 3.73R. So we'll see how this pans out. Just remove the indicators real quick. Chart looks a bit messy. There's a fair value gap right here. We are still bearish. I'm really expecting price to take out this low here. The reason why is there was a pool of liquidity here. I took it out. This was a fake out move to bring price down lower into all of this. Okay. I'm also expecting price to take out this low here. This is previous session Asia low. So, or this is Asia low, not previous session. This session's Asia low. So we'll see. Price looks oversold in literally all time frames. All right, this could be a signal to just go ahead and close my position. If the 1 hour is showing that this is overbought and there's a divergence there, all right, one position, taking one position there. I want to see this take out that low before it reverses. Yep. All right. Still a good trade. We're going to do something a little different. I didn't want to switch screens back and forth, so y'all are just going to see both dashboards and the performance reports side by side. But today, we did $295.80. So Trade08 is telling me that I took a total of 13 trades. TradeZella is telling me that I took a total of 8 trades. And the reason why is because when I enter a position and I scale in and scale out, that counts as a trade. Okay, so my total losses were actually only 3, and my total wins are 5. Okay, so these are the correct metrics here. But this just, shows you everything else. So yeah, I mean, I only traded MNQ today. As you can see down here, I only traded MNQ here. This week we are at $535.32. So we are slowly climbing back into profitability from the huge loss last week. So what is that? 535.32. So this is the micro trading plan. I'm only supposed to be trading 1 micro, but I've been struggling with that. So I've been trading about like 3-4 micros. My risk is $100 per trade. Okay. But going back, $535 for the week. All right, 8 total trades today. For this month, we are at 2.4K. All right, I'm getting a bit of a FOMO, but it's okay. But yeah, let me know how y'all did today. Leave a comment below. And subscribe if you haven't already. There's links in the description below that you can utilize to join one of the best crypto discords that I've actually ever been in. And there is also a link in the description below to purchase evaluation accounts on Apex Trader Funded prop firm. That's what I use to trade. So yeah. Hope y'all had a great day, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I forgot to explain to y'all why I entered the last trade here. The reason why I entered this last trade here is because normally when there's engineered liquidity here, price likes to come take it, right? And then act like a fake out to go all the way up, and then it stops and it continues to head down. So if your bias was bearish, long-term bias was bearish, like I was this morning, then you would know that this is a fake out to take price down. Okay, my original take profit was around here. And the reason why, let me remove the executions real quick. It's just going to be messy. The reason why my take profit was at 501 is because of this right here, or 507 is because of this right here, these equal bodies, okay? And there was a fair value gap, the 1 hour fair value gap here. So I put my original take profit right here, okay? I kind of wished I left it because I knew that price was going to head down, but I didn't want to be greedy just in case. And that fear actually cost me about 30 handles with where price is right now, right? So if you trust your strategy and your entry, then, you know, try to stick with it. But I saw this as an engineered liquidity here, right? Price came down, came back up to rebalance this fair value gap to send price down lower. And that was my reasoning to enter these 3 trades. And I originally wanted to scale out right here, right? 2 contracts and leave a runner, which I probably should have here, but it's all right. But yeah, that's why I entered that trade, and we can see price completely dumping. Let me know how y'all did in the comments below. I keep saying that, but I'll catch y'all tomorrow.